Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths exercise 4.3. Students, in exercise 4.3, A, B and C. 3 questions are there, so few questions I will solve for you, which will be easy for you to understand the rest questions. Okay, so moving to question number A. Find the product. So simply students, this is multiplication chapter. So you have to multiply and find the product. Product means the answer of multiplication, like 2 2s are 4. So 2 and 2 are the factors and 4 is the product. Okay. So that we have to find out. So simply question is find the product and questions are given with blanks, means directly horizontally you have to write the answer simply here. You can multiply and rub if you want to by writing in column, and then you can write the answers over here. So see, 10 into 4. So students, multiplying the numbers having the digit as 0 in any of them or both of them is very easy. Simply you have to multiply the whole number and then how much 0 is present you have to count in both the numbers and then you have to write it down. So simply 0 is there, so simply you can write 1 0 and 4 1s are 4. Okay students, it is very easy. If 0 is there in any number or 2 zeros are there, simply you have to add all the zeros. How many zeros are there? Write down from the right hand side and then proceed towards the left side. So now students, moving to question number 4. So 4 is 100 multiplied by 99. So 99 is there and 100 is there. So simply 2 zeros are there. Easy trick is you put 2 zeros here and then multiply 99 with 1. Or you can say 99 zeros are 99, 99 again zeros are 99 and 99 ones are 99. Multiplying with 0 and multiplying with 1 is very easy. Multiplying with 0, the answer is 0, and multiplying with 1, the answer is the same number itself. Okay, so now 20 into 7. Again 7 zeros are 0. Or simply you can put 1 0 because 1 0 is there, and 7 2s are 14. This is question number 7. So simply 140 is the product received here. Now moving to question number 10. I am solving 1, 4, 7 and 10 for you from question number 8. So simply students, 400 multiplied by 15. Now 15 0 0 2 zeros are there. You can put 0 or you can read the table. 15 zeros are 0. 15 zeros are 0 and 15 4s are. So 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60. So most important thing here is students, don't forget to put this 0 because 2 zeros are here but 15 4s are 60. 60 is also having 1 0. So don't remove 1 0 from here. Okay. Simply it is a 4-digit number. So 400 multiplied by 15, the answer is 6000. Clear to you students? So simply find the product, you have to multiply and then write the answers in the blanks given. Now moving to question number B. Question number B here is students, multiply. Multiply also means you have to just find the product. But here it is given column wise. So moving to this question. So see here students, some steps we have to follow. Okay, so see now. Here 2 digits are there and here also 2 digits are there. So what you have to do, you have to multiply this first digit with this number and with this number. Then write the answer over here. Then second digit we are taking. So we will put 1 cross because we are leaving the ones place here. We will put 1 cross or we can put 0. Putting 0, confusion is there. So that's why we are putting even cross here. Okay. So simply I am showing you how to solve. So read the table. And I am showing you by showing my fingers over here. Okay. So see here 0 2s are multiplying with 0, answer is 0. So 0 2s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Directly we have written the answer. Now we are leaving this space and we are taking the second digit. So leaving this space we will put 1 cross in the first line, first place. Okay. Now 3 2s are, we will write 6 here and 3 1s are 3. After doing this students, because this is 2 digits, below here 2 digits are present, so 2 lines will be there. After multiplying this, we have to add that answers, this answer and this answer. So 0 plus this is not multiplication sign, this is simply a cross. So 0 plus this is 0, so So 0 and 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 6, and this is 3, and nothing is given. So 360 is the product received here. So students, in this way you have to solve. See carefully to find the answer. Once again, question number 5 I am doing here. 1 I had done. Okay, so moving to question number 5. So 21 multiplied by 50. Okay, or even you can change the order, but here question is given directly. You should not directly find the answer. So now 0 1s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Multiply with 0, answer is 0. So now first place we are leaving, so we have to put a cross, or you can put 0 also here. Now 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So we will write 10 here. Now add these. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, this is 0 and this is 1. So 1050 means 1050 is the product received in question number 5. Okay students, now first and second A and B question is over. Moving to question number C. Write the product. You have to find the product and you have to write down here. Okay, so simply 52 multiplied by 9. In question number B, students, what you have done? You have just written in columns all the answers by finding the product. But here, horizontally you have to write. This is called horizontal. Okay, and these are the column wise answer. So now moving to this question, question number 1, 52 multiplied by 9. So you can either write here 52 and 9 and you can multiply in rough, or directly also you can multiply and write the answer. So this method I had shown you here in question number B. So I am telling you here the second method. So 9 2s are 18. 1 carry and 8 here. Okay, 1 we have taken carry. 9 2s are 18. 1 8. Then 9 5s are, read the table. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 45 and 1 carry was there. So it is 46. Once again check. 9 2s are 18. 1 carry 8 here. And 9 5s are 45. 45 plus this one. 46 means 468 is the product of 52 and 9. And what is 52 and 9? 52 and 9 are the factors, and this is the product of these two factors. Now question number 4 of question number C. So now 28 multiplied by 99. Just you can write down 99 multiplied by 28 or 28 by 99. It's your choice. Answer will be same. Okay, you can change the order. So 8 9s are 72, then 9 8s are 8 9s are 72 again, 72 plus 7, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So 79 will be the first line answer. Multiply 99 with 8, 792. We will put a cross and we will multiply 2 with both the numbers. 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. 2 9s are 18, 1 8, now 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19, 1 9. After receiving both the answers, we will add these two lines. So simply 2 and 0, 2, then 9 and 8, 8 2 is 16 plus 1, 17, then 7 plus 1, 8, 8 2 is 16 plus 1, 17, okay, and then 1 and 1, 2. So simply once again I am counting 2, 8 2 is 16 plus 1 17 is there, 1 7, then 8 7 plus 1 8, 8 2 is 16 plus 1 17, 1 7, 1 and 1 2. So 2772. 2772 is the product received here. So simply students, by multiplying it by writing in column is the easy way, so that you can find the correct product without doing any mistake. So in exercise 4.3 we have done question number A, 4 questions, 1, 4, 7 and 10. Question number B, 1 and 5 by writing in column. And question number C, write the product. We have written 2 questions here, 1 and 4, which is horizontally, which is not written in column. Okay, you can do rough work in column and then write the answers directly if blanks are given. No need to write the complete procedure here. Okay students, so I hope exercise 4.3 is clear to you. Thank you for